Welcome to the demo of Estel's mobile point-of-sale payment acceptance system Smart mApp. This solution converts any smartphone or tablet into point-of-sale terminal, which can accept a credit or a debit card payment by using Estel's Smart mApp and adding an external card reader to it. Estel's leadership and innovation includes many of this experience to build solutions that help you bring to the market smart and innovative products that provides robust, secure, and user-friendly integration. In today's presentation, we're going to demonstrate two processes. First, the activation of Smart mApp. Second, a credit card sale transaction using an Android-based smartphone, attaching an external card reader to the Android-based smartphone, and a Visa credit card. So now let's see the activation of mPOS mApp. In order to activate your mPOS mApp account, merchant must sign a merchant agreement. Once you sign this agreement, you'll receive your login credentials along with a link to download the mApp application. You must download and install the application into your phone before making any transaction. For today's demo, I've already downloaded and installed the application on my phone, and now I'm going to open it right now by pressing the application. Upon opening the application, welcome screen appears, and then the end user license agreement screen is displayed. Read the end user license agreement. This screen would only be displayed for the first time users of mPOS mApp. Once you've read the license agreement, tap I agree. You would now need to activate your account by tapping Activate Account. On this screen, you would need to enter the activation code and MPIN. Both the activation code and MPIN is a unique code given to you at the time of registration. The activation code is a 12-digit security number. This number is entered just the first time to activate your mPOS mApp account, whereas the PIN is a 4-digit number that acts as a lock for security. Tap Continue. A pop-up message is displayed, activation successful. Tap OK. For security reasons, you would now need to change your MPIN number using this mPOS mApp. Enter the old MPIN. Choose a new MPIN number. This would be a 4-digit unique number. Re-enter new MPIN. Tap Continue. A pop-up message is displayed, MPIN change successful. Tap OK. This is how we activate the mPOS mApp account. Let's exit from the mApp. Let's demonstrate the second process, that is a sale transaction using an Android-based smartphone. As you just saw in the previous process, we activated the mPOS mApp and exited from the application. To launch the application again, simply press the mPOS application icon. You would be directed to login screen where you would need to enter your 4-digit MPIN, which we just created in the previous process. Tap Continue. A pop-up message displays login successful. Tap OK. You are now directed to the home screen. A sale transaction can be completed right from the home screen of the mApp application. Insert the card reader into the 3.5mm audio jack of the Android phone and swipe your credit card through the card reader. You can now see that the card has been swiped successfully and all the card details appear on the screen. Now we're going to enter the sale amount and tip, if any. The total amount would be calculated automatically. Press Confirm. An important statement here to make is that the card details are never stored on the mApp or on the card reader. It's transmitted in its encrypted form directly to the Estel's backend payment and settlement system, which is integrated with an acquiring bank switch and to card networks. The acquiring bank system will now process the payment and revert with either a success or fail message. If the payment is successful, you will receive transaction successful message. This indicates that your payment has been accepted. Tap OK. However, in case of a payment failure, a failed message is received. For successful payments, a signature screen will then come up. Simply take the tip of your finger and sign on the screen. The signature will be captured and stored on the Estel gateway for easy retrieval once you click Continue. Merchants can now choose to send the transaction receipt to their customer either by SMS, email, or print receipt by enabling the Bluetooth printer. To send receipt by SMS, simply tap SMS receipt. Enter the phone number. Tap Confirm. An SMS would be sent both to the cardholder and the merchant with the details of the sale transaction. You have now successfully completed a credit card sale transaction. If you exit from the M-app, you'll be able to see the message that the merchant has received for this sale transaction. And that's how you make your payment transaction utilizing Smart M-app application. For more information or if you have any queries, you can get in touch with us through our website. It's www.esteltelecom.com. I hope you enjoyed watching the demonstration as much as I did. Thank you.